Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on a channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel and share and like the video. So today we will speak about how to speak English confidently and fluently like the native speaker. When you see any person who is from US, Canada or Australia or any Britisher, so they speak English very well, but they all have their different accent. American have their different accent, Canadians have their different accent, Australian, New Zealand's people they have their different accent, and Britishers they have their own accent. So every country, whatever they are native speaker, so they all have their different accent, but you do not need to focus on the accent first. If you are a beginner, you just need to focus on learning so that you can speak English more and more. When you see any person, those who speak in a public speaking without any preparation, how it is possible? Because they have done so much hard work on their language. They have done learning on vocabulary. They used to read English newspaper or a magazine or any other English literature every day. Because to keep yourself update, you have to be a good learner, an everyday learner. You have to read every day if you want to become successful in your English language. So you have to read English every day, you have to listen English movies or English songs or English media every day. You have to learn vocabulary, you have to learn new words so that whenever you will speak in English, people will listen you. Because when you will speak the advanced words, so people will find that what is that word. They will like the enthusiasm will generate in their mind, and they will start thinking that he had spoken that word. I have to found that word and find out the meaning of that word. So and speaking, whenever you see any speaker, those who speak English very well, so they just do the practice. They just speak English in front of the mirror. Whenever a teacher give their lecture, so they prepare their lecture before going into the class, because preparation is very important. If you really want to speak in English, suppose you have an interview tomorrow in a company, Amazon. So you have an interview tomorrow. So what will you do? You will prepare about the questions which will be going to ask in your tomorrow's interview. But you have to you have one information that your interview will be in English because you are going to join a American MNC. So if you really want to earn good amount of money, or you want to join a corporate sector or the multinational companies, so you have to prepare well. You have to work on your English basic skills, reading skills, listening skills, and command over the vocabulary and speaking skills. Because when you will listen properly that what the interviewer is saying, so that you can answer properly. So listening is very important. Command over vocabulary, why it is important? Because if you will speak in English and you have the vocabulary command, so you can speak in English more and more. But if you do not have the command over English vocabulary, how will you able be how will you be able to speak in English? So it is very important. If you really want to speak in English, so the command over vocabulary is very important. If you have the command over vocabulary, so you can speak in English anywhere with anyone. And listening exercise is very important. The best way for the listening exercise is listen English media every day. You can listen the BBC News channel or whatever you like. CNN, Fox News, NDTV 24/7, whatever you like. But listen English media. Try to speak in English. If you are a beginner, try to speak in English with your friends. This is the best way, the live exercise which you can do with your friends, and they will correct you also, because if you have a good friends, so they will always tell you your mistakes, and if your friends will tell you your mistakes, so you will be going to become a good English speaker. But it is not enough to speak English with your friends. You have to record your own video and audio. Use your smartphone and record your audio and video and listen after recording, so that you can correct yourself that where you are wrong. And one more exercise is speaking English in front of the mirror. Yes, look at in your eyes. This will improve your confidence, believe me or not. So if you will do this exercise every day, you will going to speak English confidently and fluently like native speaker. So I hope you will like the video of today. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and share and like the video. Thank you. That's all for today.